In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an inner stroke in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever added a stroke to a shape and notice it expands outward or changes your layout, this quick setting will completely fix that. An inner stroke keeps the stroke neatly inside the edges of your object, which is perfect for logos, icons, buttons, and clean graphic design work. I'll walk you through this step by step so you can start using it immediately. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Illustrator tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and select the object you want to apply the inner stroke to. This can be any shape: a rectangle, circle, custom path, text that's been outlined, or even a complex vector shape. The important thing is that the object is selected. You can do this using the Selection tool, which is the black arrow at the top of your toolbar, or by pressing V on your keyboard. Once selected, you should see the bounding box appear around your object. Next, go to the top menu and click on Window, then choose Stroke from the drop-down list. This will open the Stroke panel if it's not already visible in your workspace. The Stroke panel gives you full control over how your stroke looks, including thickness, alignment, caps, corners, and more. If you prefer, you can also dock this panel on the side so it's easily accessible for future projects. Now that the Stroke panel is open, let's add the stroke itself. With your object still selected, choose a stroke color. You can do this from the toolbar on the left or from the Properties panel. Make sure the stroke box is active, not the fill box. After selecting your color, adjust the stroke weight in the stroke panel. Increase the weight to make the stroke thicker or decrease it for a thinner outline. You'll notice that by default, Illustrator applies the stroke aligned to the center of the path. Here's the key step. Inside the stroke panel, look for the Align Stroke options. You'll see three small icons: Align Stroke to Center, Align Stroke to Inside, and Align Stroke to Outside. To create an inner stroke, click the middle icon that says Align Stroke to Inside when you hover over it. As soon as you click it, the stroke will shift entirely inside the edges of your shape. This is especially useful because it keeps the outer dimensions of your object consistent. For example, if you're designing a button that needs to stay a precise size, an inside stroke won't push beyond the edges and throw off your alignment. It keeps everything clean and controlled. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. The Align Stroke to Inside option only works on closed paths. If you're working with an open path, like a simple line, Illustrator won't allow you to align the stroke to the inside. In that case, you would need to either expand the stroke or use a different technique. Another helpful tip is that you can combine inner strokes with the Appearance panel to add multiple strokes to a single object. This is great for creating layered outline effects without duplicating shapes. But for most basic design needs, simply aligning the stroke to the inside will give you exactly what you're looking for. And that's it. That's how you add an inner stroke in Adobe Illustrator, quickly and easily. Select your object, open the stroke panel, set your color and weight, and choose Align Stroke to Inside. Simple, clean, and professional. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.